What's going on, guys? Look, Morgan here. Welcome back to week 4 of rebuilding all my Lego sets. Start of this week. Start this vlog. Let's get this room sorted out, 'cause it's kind of a bit messy. So I'm gonna tie this up, and we'll get back when it's all tidied. Now the room looks a little bit tidier, but all the bins back here, the little ones there, and where's that? So yeah, let's get into the progress I've done this week. This week I've made quite a lot of progress. I don't know, week 3, I don't know if I finished this week 3, but I know I've definitely done this. Don't know if I chose at the end of week 3. I don't think I completed it, but it's the AAT from 2008. You did see the time lapse of that. This set, you did not see the time lapse of, because I just built it from the instructions straight up. I just found all the pieces as I went along. It's the 2000 and I think it's 8 or 9 Spider Droid. It's either 8 or 9, I don't remember. That's pretty cool. And I also built this. It's a 1999 Droid Fighter. Jesus. It's one of the older Lego Star sets. It's in the first wave of Lego Star sets. So it is pretty old, this set. So yeah, if you don't know how I got this, I've had it for ages. My dad actually gave it to me, so it's pretty cool. Didn't have to actually spend any money for this thing. Yeah, look at that, pretty cool set. I don't know if I'll do a set review of this. I don't know. I might. Y-Wing. Still don't know where to put it, because it definitely cannot fit down there. There's the Hoth turret set from 2017, I think. The car from Lord Vampire's Castle. That's the Hunter's car. There's like a more battle pack. Walkabout. It's the AT-AP at the back there. Chicks 30. TIE Fighter from 1999. Then there's an A-Wing in there somewhere. Here's the A-Wing. I was going to do a set review of this on yesterday. But the thing is, I lost one of this actually. This turret here, it fell off. As soon as I finished the set review of the Y-Wing, because I had to change it last minute, I found it. So I'm probably going to do that next week. I still need to redo this TIE Fighter, because it's not actually built properly. I actually need this. Yeah. Oh wait, there's a wait. Oh, it's a little tiny Yoda's. So fine. Let me just put the sets back. It is a Resistance A-Wing, so. Wait. Oh, it's Spider Droid. You can go there. Yeah. In this one, I've got the Rebel Hover. What is that? Battle Pack. Rebel Troop Battle Pack. Crap. There's the Y-Wing from 2020. It's the new Y-Wing. Don't know what this character's called. She's from a new film. I have seen the new film. I just don't know who this person's called. But here she is. It's her Y-Wing. I still have the stickers on. That's probably it. I should probably put those on before I view this set. Kind of called Snow First Order Trooper, Poe Dameron, Dio. Not Joe Savage, Dio. There's the Hoth Rebel Battle Pack set, and then there's the Clone Speeder Battle Pack in here. I've got 4 more of those to build. Then I've also got a red one I've got to do for the Geonosis cannon set. So I'm going to build, so I'm going to have 6 of those in total. A miniature. I just got these. It's not an ATST, it's the one from Rebels. Yeah, it's one of those, and then I've got the fire station, and it's got a clone, I think. I don't know why there's a clone. Oh, there's an astromech droid. There's a clone. It's Plo Koon's astromech droid. I think it is. Yeah, it's Plo Koon's astromech droid. Put those in the box. So, okay, we're gonna ignore that. Let's put these back. This wire's sticking up. I need to. That's gonna break. I don't know how to put that in. It's just gonna sit like. That's basically it I've done this week. I have tidied. Oh yeah, I didn't show what I was doing. Well, I started, if you're following my Instagram, you'll know. But I have built, I'm starting to build the Droid Transporter. Pretty cool. Because if you can sort of guess what I'm doing, I'm building all my Separatist things first. But I'm not, because right after this I'm doing the Republic Attack Shuttle for 2008. That's been pretty cool to go with the Y-Wing. But after that, I'm going to finish with the Separatist things. So I've got the Spy Droid there, AT there, I got that there, Vulture Droid, High Droid Bomber, Geonosis Cannon, what else is there? The Assassin Droid Battle Pack set. Don't know about the other sets. There's more though. There's probably more I'm gonna build, but that's basically it for this week. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry this one has been shorter than usual because sort of in a bit of a hurry today, but beautiful to do. And I'll see you guys next week. Alright, goodbye.